You're watching The Stitch That Taught Me, real stories from my sewing workroom and creative business journey that take you beyond the pretty finishes to the real lessons I've learned in over 38 years of my creative workroom life. Each one taught me something worth passing on. I'm Donna Cash, and I'm glad you're here. In my business, there's one thing I never do. This one thing that I never do allows my business to be very efficient and to run smoothly. I oversee the drapery portion of a project from the very beginning all the way through to the installation. Installation day should be a happy day. Happy for the homeowner or business owner, happy for the designer, happy for the workroom, and happy for the installer. This one thing that I never do allows me to ensure that I can live up to my motto in business, which is I want no unhappy surprises at the installation. Follow along and let me share with you that one thing that I never do and why I never do that. Never, ever, 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 ever do I wait until the last minute to, number one, order the decorative drapery hardware or check it in. As soon as it comes in, then I can check and make sure that I have not accidentally ordered a part number, which that has happened. I have a few times had wrong parts on the drapery hardware. So when I receive this, I don't wait until installation day or the day before installation day. It gets checked as soon as it arrives in the workroom. Yes, it does take a little bit of time, but doing that and taking the time as soon as it comes in, then it avoids any stress at the last minute. Also, at the installation, I want to make sure that we are in and out of the client's home in a timely manner. I want to be respectful of the homeowner's time, the designer's time, and the installer's time. So the more that I can check and take care of on the beginning end, the better it is for the installation. The other thing that I like to do is for ripple fold draperies, I'm going to take all of the pendants off. I'm going to snap those on the drapery so that that does not have to happen at the installation. And I check every drapery rod. I check all of the parts in the parts box, making sure that I've got the right color, the right styles. And like I said, there have been times when I've accidentally ordered a wrong part number. And so checking it at the very beginning, if I've done that, I can have that taken care of. Okay, that's it. And that really helps me stay efficient in the workroom. And once the installation is over, then I can come back to my workroom and I can start on the next project rather than having a redo. And I never forget to thank my installers because without their fine work, my projects cannot be completed. That's it for today's The Stitch That Taught Me. If it gave you insight or encouragement, pass it on. And if you're not already following me, be sure and hit that follow button so you won't miss another true story from the heart of the workroom. Until then, keep on learning and keep on stitching.